As you know, I do spend quite a few of my videos riding around on my e-bike. Today I'm going to attempt, fingers crossed, doing a little upgrade and a little bit of maintenance on it. And I'm not a bike mechanic by a long way. I'm a keen amateur, but I'm going to give it a go. I'm hoping to replace that cassette with a new cassette which gives me slightly better pedalling power, shall we say. And I'm also going to try and strip down the motor, clean it up, and if need be, I've got a new set of planetary gears to pop in. So fingers crossed. As you can see, I've got the wheel off the bike already. That was pretty straightforward. Just have to remember what order to